Hello my bougie people, welcome back to my channel. So today is all about just a little haul, you know, just a little treat yourself Sunday. I don't know if this is going to be live on Sunday, but just a little treat yourself Sunday. And I am unboxing this lovely gift that I bought for myself from Balenciaga. So stay tuned and unbox it with me. But if you're brand new to my channel, why not hit that subscribe button? I do videos on Sundays, Tuesdays and Wednesdays, and I'd love it if you would subscribe. So what the hell are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and don't be a raggedy ass. Raggedy ass. You subscribed? Okay, let's get into the video. Okay, I probably made it a lot bigger than it was, but I've been wanting one of these for ages, so I decided to purchase. Of course, it's from one of my favorite brands, which is Balenciaga. So let's open it up and see what I purchased. Ta-da! It is a Balenciaga card holder, and I just think this card holder is so sleek, it's so bougie, and I am in dire need. If you see the card holder I'm using at the moment, wait, let me show you because it's just ridiculous. Currently I'm using the trusted TFL card holder because I do have like a Comme des Garçons purse, and what happened was I just basically used to put my Oyster card in the TFL card holder, and then I put my bank card in the card holder, and then it just became like, oh, I might as well add my Sainsbury's and my Tesco's, and then I realized, wait a second, how can I be bougie in London and I'm carrying this raggedy ass TFL card holder? Because I love Balenciaga, I decided to pick up a card holder from them, and it is £215. I picked it up from Selfridges. I'm gonna leave a link below of where you can pick it up from. I just bought this online because really and truly I don't really like talking to people, like I just don't like talking to people, so I just thought let me just pick it up from Selfridges online. I did click and collect. It literally came the next day because I ordered before 4 PM or something like that, and I went to pick it up and here it was, and I absolutely love it. So it's got 4 spaces, like 1, 2, 1, 2, and then inside you can put some, like, I don't know, cash. I never carry cash, to be honest. You can put some like vouchers or whatever. So basically in this crusty TFL raggedy ass card holder, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 cards. Oh wow, I'm gonna have to get rid of some of them, aren't I? But it's mainly because I shop in like Tesco's and like Sainsbury's, and I've been shopping a lot in Superdrug, so I need those cards at all times. I really feel like they should, I'm gonna say something silly now because I think they already do have an app where you can just scan your club card, but yeah, that would be so much easier. But yes guys, what do you think? I never thought I'd be paying £215 for a card holder, but evidently I did, and I feel like it goes with my outfit. No, I look very professional with this, you know. So next on my list is Balenciaga bag. I want to get another triple S. I was supposed to get one, but apparently I feel like they've taken me off the waiting list. Won't talk about that, but... And I wanted to get the Balenciaga hat with the same logo, but they've gone up in price, so now I'm like, do I really want to purchase that? But I did, in the end, also when I bought this, I got an off-white hat, which I've either shown in my haul or I'm yet to show, so if you haven't seen that May haul, I'll leave it somewhere around here. But I just got this little card holder. I just think sometimes in life, even if you don't buy like, you know, the most expensive bag or shoes, sometimes buy into the accessories. Like I really love this brand, and I've got a few bits from there, like a few accessories, and I've got the triple S. I think if you know, want to start your luxury collection, it's always good to buy into the accessories first and then build your way up. But yeah, now I can get rid of my raggedy ass card holder and swap it for this one. I just realized that I'm really perched on this what is this thing called? A chair. How can I forget what it is? I'm really perched on this chair. Like I just need to straighten myself up. I'm really loving the sloth life at the moment. I don't know guys, I'm really rambling on. Like this is meant to be like a little unboxing, but I'm really rambling on today. I don't know what's gotten into me. But yes, that's all guys. If you like this video, why not give it a thumbs up? If you think anyone can benefit from this video, I'll be happy for you to share this video. Why not share it? And as always, you can follow me on my Instagram and my social media platforms. I'll leave the list down below. And remember guys, to always stay what? We gon' stay bougie.